Alrighty, happy Sunday. October 22nd is when this is happening, and we're going for a ride with the Sarnia Street Cruisers. Sunday cruise. So let's go for a drive. We're gonna go get some gas first. And I haven't done one of these in a while. I'll probably do more next season because we're getting near the end here. But the Firebird cam. All right. Alrighty. Pioneer gas station. Not bad, 150.9. I thought I would never say that. Honestly, a lot of times I go to 40 Fuel because friends of mine are owners, so I like to support them, and they are local. People argue different kind of gas, but it's a lot of the way this time. So 176.9 for platinum. Whew. Alrighty, let's get filled up. Alright, fueled up, lights up. Away we go. I was only at a half a tank, so it didn't hurt so bad. It was about $70. I never really looked at the size of the tank on this. This is the 1998 Firebird V6. It's not a Trans Am, but it's got a really big tank on it. It's going to be a great day. Like Jennifer and I were out for breakfast earlier this morning. We took a drive around town. Look at all the pretty colors, though. Like the leaves have really started to change. I brought my drone with me today. If time and weather allows, we'll get some of that footage too. But just driving around the car, it's going to be a really nice, colorful drive. All right, we're pulling in. See all the cars. Lovely, lovely. And here we are. There's a nice Dodge in front of us and a few others. Alrighty. Everybody's getting ready to head out. You'll see all the cars coming. We're going to let everybody go here so we can give you a shot of all the cars. Some cool cars. An old, look at that, 350 Nova. Look at this Challenger coming into your shot there. It's like rised up. Wow. Everybody will be waiting. Who's going to go next? Corvette. They must have the heat cranked. Both of these cars got their tops down. Good for them. This fella coming along here, he's got a nice Firebird Trans Am. If I didn't have this one, I'd like that one. There it is right there. Beautiful car. And super nice guy too. And there's a Mustang. A couple of Mustangs here. Cool. Oh, fix my microphone here. I don't do that. Is that better? I don't know. I could just clip it up top, probably. I'll do that. Put it up here. I'm making lots of noise. I'll just put it on the seatbelt. There we go. That works better. Another cool car. We're going to let everybody go. Yeah. All right. Guess we should get in gear and get going. We'll let this Corvette come by. That's a nice color. And we are off. I believe we're heading down Grand Bend way, and then we're supposed to like get into Exeter. There you go. A nice little curve shot here, some more colors. We're getting closer to the where are we? Hope you can still hear me, by the way. I moved my microphone, but Warwick, I guess, is where we're about. So this is the Upper Wash area. Some more nice colors out this way. Another nice spot for colors. So lots of old houses here. Like that, pumpkins out and all that stuff, so. And we're picking up the pace here a little bit. Taking a turn up here, and I guess we're going to be getting close to making a stop somewhere. I'm not sure where it is. Is it the Tim Hortons? I hope it's a big Tim Hortons. Yep. Well, that's good, because I need the facilities. We're all coming in to take over. Taking over the parking lot, right? No? I guess we're going a little further up. We're going to run out of spots. Called ahead. All right, enough for the back roads. Time to get on the highway. It's been a great day, though. Colors here.